Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, October 5th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And after a day where the bulls gave everything back from Friday, only to go out with double distribution days in all three of the indices, also all with wide POCs. Yes, they look like B shapes, but they are still double distribution days down. I asked the room yesterday, we talked about who's selling it. Is it long-term selling? I said, I don't think so. I said, if anything, possibly this is long-term buying here. And the reason I say that is just for a bigger picture view. This is how I'm looking at the market for the rest of this year, the fourth quarter. I don't mind getting to July's low, that poor monthly low of 421.97. If you take that out, that's fine if we get some nice balance there to come into a 4-month balance. If you do that, then I think we'll see all-time highs again this year. However, if we get acceptance below that, especially if we get later into this month, well, then the odds of that going to all-time highs are dramatically lower as far as I'm concerned. So I think this level that we've pushed a couple of times is very important. I don't mind getting to July's low. We still haven't gotten there, and it would be better sooner rather than later. But it would be interesting to see if we get there and if we hold it. As far as this morning, destinations right now. So for the upside, we had two sets of single prints in Qs and in SPY and ES. The first set started at 429.23, got filled at 82. Then we have our overnight high right now inside of that at 430.98, and then this inside of the second set. And these are large, 429.66 to 432.11. I don't expect them to get filled that easily. So depending on what our overnight high is, I could see SPY and ES front running at least the first time and backing off because that second set of single prints is large. And then we have 433.96, yesterday's high. For the downside right now, we have our overnight low, which is 428.11. Right below that is the 11 wide from yesterday, 427.90, and yesterday's low, 426.36. Now, as far as the other ones go, before we get to a game plan, right now, remember, Russell only had one set of single prints. Now, there's still 75 minutes to go, but as of now, they're trading into their upper distribution, and they were 12 wide. Triple Qs, just like us, two sets of singles right now, they're into their second set. So game plan for this morning, well, whether it's now or at 9:30, again, I don't think this second set of single prints will get filled that easily. So I would probably take a put play against the overnight high, wherever that might be, to see if they back off the first time. Now, it would be with higher value, but it would be in balance. As far as a call play, well, again, L's high is the top of the lower distribution. If the buyers are going to do the work to get above it, you want to stay above it. So if you were to pull back, I would take a long against that, but any acceptance back inside of L's range and into value from yesterday, I would be out because then you will certainly go and trade at that 11 wide POC. And then quickly on the chart, so the monthly is an outside month down. So here's July's low. I don't mind getting down there, trading sideways, forming a nice 4-month balance. I don't want to get acceptance below this because then these other monthly lows certainly come into the picture, and the odds of going back to the all-time high, I think, get dramatically lower. But if we are to either hold where we are now, or, like I said, test it, trade sideways, then start going back, I think we can see all-time highs again this year. Weekly, right now it's one time framing down for 5 weeks. But more importantly, right now the daily. Nothing will change until the daily changes. And for the daily to change, we have to take out a previous day's high. Well, yesterday's high is 433.96. So whether it's today or whether it's tomorrow and we take out today's high, that's what bulls need to do to even have any chance of starting this upwards move. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.